A lot of time while writing program, you may need to store more than one data item under the same identifier name. It is a very important concept, and when you will store many data items under the same identifier name, then that identifier is called an array type identifier. So just in order to visualize the concept easily, just think of a shop, and in front of that shop there is a long queue. You have two options to identify each of the person in that queue in two different ways. First, you can identify each of them by their individual name, which is extremely hard to remember sometimes. Then you have a second option. You can identify each of these person, like this is person 0, this one is person 1, this is person 2, this is person 3, something like that. And the entire so you do not need to remember anything, and you are just using the name person in order to identify everyone, and then you are using 0, 1, 2, 3, these numbers, or sometimes you can call them an index, to identify each individual person in the queue. The same concept can be applied in programming also. So in this example, you can see two different identifiers. The first one is called array1. Inside array1, I have stored 5, 9, 22, and 6. That is 4 different integers. And each of these integers can be accessed by a specific index. For example, array1 index 0 is 5. Then index 1 at array1 is 9. Index 2 at array1 is 22. Index 3 at array1 is 6. It's just like the fact person 0, person 1, person 2, person 3. Similarly, array2 0 is A, array2 1 is B, array2 2 is M, and array2 3 is N, like that. So array is an extremely important concept in any programming language. So this is basically a collection of many data items under the same identifier name. We will learn more about array in other specific programming courses.